Have you been looking for a performance SUV with both styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI Sport in competition red. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power folding heated mirrors, active blind spot assist, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6229.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.